warning. Coaches who have IDs, parents are not allowed in the lower box. Failure to follow the rules, your whole team will be disqualified.
Please prepare after this house. Lauren, Sean, Carlos, Aka, Berame, Macau. Please prepare after this
Championship bout. Miranda Hart versus Viray Llanos.
Again, coaches who don't have IDs, step out, or else your whole team will be disqualified. Coaches who don't have IDs, please step out from the lower box, or else your whole team will be disqualified. Last